Welcome to Chemistry Corner. Today we will discuss D and F block elements, class 12. So in the periodic table, group 3 to 12 are D block elements. Definition of D block elements. The elements of periodic table belonging to group 3 to 12 are known as D block elements because in these elements the last electron enters the D subshell or D orbital. D block elements lie in between S and P block elements in the long form of periodic table. They act as a bridge between S block and P block. So in the D block element, the first series is 3D series we call it, and it is from scandium to zinc. 4D series, that is second series, yttrium to cadmium. Then 3D series from lanthanum to mercury. Fourth series, that is a 6D series from actinium to UUB, 112, atomic number 112. In D block elements, mostly we read like a horizontal manner, that is period wise we will compare. Transition elements. Transition element is defined as the one which has incompletely filled d orbital in its ground state or in any one of its oxidation state. That is, the transition elements should have partly filled n-1 d orbital. So in the electronic configuration, we can see that scandium has partly filled d orbital in the ground state itself. Titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese. Chromium we can see 3d5 and 4s1 due to off-filled d orbital. And when coming to the copper, it has completely filled 3d orbital. But copper is called a transition element. Why? Because in copper 2 plus oxidation state, it loses 4s electron and from 3d one of the electron. So it becomes 3d9 and it has incompletely filled d orbital. So copper is called, though it has 3d10 in the ground state, but in its oxidation state it has a incompletely filled d orbital, so copper is called a transition element. But zinc, it has 3d10 4s2. In ground state it has fully filled configuration d orbital, as well as in the common oxidation state in 2 plus state. If you are seen, 4s electron alone lost, so 3d10 will be there even in its oxidation state. So it is not called transition elements. Mnemonics to remember first series, that is 3D series. In school, Tiny Vicky creates miniature which makes him feel complete, nice, gushy, zeal. So you can remember scandium, titanium, vanadium, chromium, manganese, iron, cobalt, nickel, copper, zinc. Thank you children. Keep watching for more videos.